Hi viewers, do you know how to make curry leaf gravy? Now let's get started. Take 1 cup of curry leaves fresh, 2 spoons of urad dal, 1 spoon of pepper and quarter spoon of fenugreek. Half spoon of raw rice, small portion of asafoetida or hing powder, and now fry on a pan all the ingredients except curry leaf. Pour 2 spoons of gingerly oil and keep frying on a pan. Fry all till they become brown. Now soak a small ball of tamarind for gravy purpose. Now fry the curry leaves, pouring 2 to 3 spoons of gingerly oil. Do not make the curry leaf over fry. Now mix all the ingredients and put it in a mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste by adding little water. Now heat the kadai on the stove and add few spoons of gingerly oil, mustard and little hing powder. Let the mustard sprout out and then add the tamarind soaked water to it. Add 1 spoon of turmeric powder to the tamarind mix and allow it to boil. After it boils well, add little salt and stir it well. And when it boils well, add the grinded curry paste mixture and stir it without any lumps. Allow it to boil till the gravy thickens. Yes, the yummy curry leaf gravy is ready. After boiling, it turns brown. This is a rich green food with vital vitamins. Now, keep ready the fresh cooked hot rice. Add either ghee or gingerly oil to the rice and mix the gravy with the rice. Now it is ready to taste. This spicy, rich, tasty gravy is also suitable to eat with idly, dosa, upma, etc. Thank you guys.
Please subscribe this channel for more videos.